To go ahead and open up our Google Drive, we're going to go up to the top address bar, and I'm going to type in drive.google.com. Each PTA or PTO account comes with a Google Drive location. This basically is unlimited online storage. Once our drive opens, you will see the two sections of your drive. One is titled My Drive, and the other one is called Shared with Me. We're going to stay within My Drive. In your drive, you will find a folder for all of your PTA or PTO items. I'm going to go ahead and search for my folder, so mine will look like yours. So you should have a folder titled the name of your school, PTA or PTO website. You can go ahead and double-click that folder to open it. Within that folder, you should have 3 items. A folder for your PTA agenda and minutes, another folder for flyers, just in case you want to add some flyers, and a third folder for the slideshow. Since we are working on the Photoshop or the photo gallery, this is where we're going to focus right now. So if you double-click the photo, the slideshow, here are your PTA or PTO photos. This basically is a Google slide or Google presentation. So let's go ahead and open that up by double-clicking. If you have used PowerPoint in the past, this is very similar to a PowerPoint. So our title screen opens first, and then off to the left, you're going to see different slides that will appear. For your title slide, you can name it however you'd like. You can add a graphic if you'd like. And then over on the left, for each page that you have, or each slide, you can add different photos. So right now I am on slide 2, and you can see one photo. I'm going to leave that one, and I'm going to add another slide. Right up here, symbol. And I'm just going to go ahead and do a blank slide, which is the bottom one. So now I have a third slide. And I'm going to go ahead and add an image. So I'm going to go Insert, Image, and if you have some photos on your Google Drive, you can select them from your Google Drive. I don't have any right now, so I'm going to search. And when I bring up this search, it is basically searching Google Drive. I'm sorry, it's searching Google Images. I'm going to search for some kids. And if I like this one, I can click on that one and say Select. And then the image goes directly on my page. If I want to, I can click up in a corner and drag it so it goes a little smaller. And I can position it anywhere I'd like on my page. And then if I wanted to, I could add another photo on the side. Do the same thing, Insert, Image, and this time I'll grab this one. And I'll make this one a little smaller as well. And I'm going to scoot it over. So now I have 2 images. So if I go to my top one, this is my title of my slide. I'm going to click on Present just to see what it looks like. It looks good. I only have the 3. So I'm going to keep that tab open, and I'm going to go back to the tab where my website is. So if I bring this tab up, I'm going to scroll down, and here's our slideshow. And I'm going to come up to the top and click on Refresh, which is to reload this page, this little curly arrow. And when I do that, it basically refreshes our PTA or PTO website. And that box that's embedded down here will now be updated with the changes that we just made. So whatever change you make over here on this tab in your Google presentation or slide will automatically be updated on your website. So all photo changes will be made from here. And if you'd rather not have this section on your website, then we can scroll up to the top. We can click on the pencil to edit. And then we can scroll back down. We can click on the box one time, this gray box where a slideshow is, and click on the X to remove it. So the photos are totally optional. I'm going to leave mine, so I'm going to go up to the top and click on Save. And then if I want to make some more changes to my photos, I can go back over to my Google slide or presentation.